So hello, in today's video we are going to try to set a different icon image for our application. So let's start with a simple application. So my app. Then we need some tools we can find online, like this one, launcher icon generator, and then here we can select a clip art. Otherwise we could choose a text or an image from our local storage. By now we are just going to write a text, so like TS. We also could choose a font, like, I don't know, Montserrat, like this one. We can, no, I don't like this. Yeah, that one. We could choose the padding of the text, and we could choose the font color, everything we want. I don't know, like this. Yeah, that's kind of horrible. Okay, way better. The background, also the shape of it. We will try with a circle shape, and we can give it a name like icon test. And all we need to do is to download the zip file and open it up. So inside our project we have to go to the project right there on top left corner. Then we click with the right, and then we go to show in Explorer, and there is my application too. So we go inside the folder, then app, source, main, and here we have to paste all of our files we downloaded before. So we're opening up with the file explorer, and we copy these two files inside our main directory. Then we rename it like icon, and we copy the path of the folder. Then we go to our application, we go back to the Android. Then we right click on resources, then we go new image asset, and here we can import our file. So we copy the path, you paste here the path, you choose the icon, and there it is. We are going to scale it down a little. Right now we are going to change the background with the previous background color, just because there is a lower, if we can say like this, a lower background. And then all we have to do is to set a name, a layer name, like icon test, and an icon name, so icon name, and then we can go next, then finish. Okay, it's almost done. All we have to do now is go to the manifest right there, change it with icon test, and also we could rename it there with icon test. Okay, that's all we should do. If now we start the application on the emulator, we are going to see that the application will have the same icon we imported. So we are waiting for the Gradle to build. Okay, installing APK, and there it is. There it is, our application, my application. That's all you have to do. Here it is. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this has been useful to you, and see you next time.